Hello again, friends. Are you ready to keep counting? Today we'll learn numbers 11 all the way to 20. Let's start together. 11 butterflies, flutter, flutter. 12 bees, buzz, buzz. 13 penguins, all marching together. 14 rabbits, hop, hop, hop. 15 birds, singing so sweetly. 16 fish, swimming in the sea. 17 puppies, woof, woof, woof. 18 kittens, meow, meow, meow. 19 ribbit frogs, ribbit, ribbit. 20 stars, twinkling in the night sky. Wow, amazing job! You counted all the way from 11 to 20. Keep practicing, and soon you'll know every number. See you next time, friends.